Hey guys, welcome to another lesson here at Worship Guitar Skills. Today we're going to look at a very cool song called Graves into Gardens from Elevation Worship. It's off their new album, and wow, it's such a powerful song and such a fun song to do. So we're going to look at what chords they use. We're going to look at the strumming pattern. This is going to be a very easy version of this song. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun and it's going to be really easy to play. Down below in the description, you'll see that I've added links to the different sections of the song. So if you just want to go check out the chords, you can do that. Or if you just want to check out the strumming pattern, you can do that. Or if you just want to see me play the song, you can also do that. All right, guys. And if you're new to us, please give us a like, please give us a subscribe, and please don't forget to let us know what videos you'd like us to do here on the channel, and please let us know what songs you would like us to cover. Anyway, without any further ado, let's jump into this song, starting with the chords that they use. Alright guys, so this song originally off the record is played in the key of G using a capo. Right, so technically it would be in the key of B, but the shapes that they use to play this song are G shapes. So those are the shapes that I'll be showing you today. So even though I'm going to use a capo, actually I'm not going to use a capo, I'm just going to sing in the key of G because the key of B is quite a bit high. I don't know if I can reach there tonight. Anyway, but just so you know, the shapes are exactly the same shapes that they did on the original song. They only used a capo on the 4th fret. The capo there, and you'll still be playing G shapes. Alright? But just so that I can actually sing this song for you guys, I'm just going to do it in the key of G. Alright, so the shapes that they used are really easy. Basically, we have this G. This is a G5. Right? Then we have a C add 9. And you can either play it like that, or you can add in the D string. Right, we had a E minor 7. And then we had a D. Right guys, so those are really easy chords to learn. It's only those 4 chords. So now that you know them, let's check out the strumming pattern that they used for this song. Okay, cool. So I know the first thing that you're thinking about is, how do they do those shots? Which is that. If you haven't heard this song yet, please go check it out. I've actually put a link in the description so that you can go and listen to the song for yourself, right? And I'm going to show you guys how that fits in to the strumming pattern. But before we do that, we first need to take note that this song is a 6/8 time signature. All right, so it means you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the time signature that this song is based off, and what that strumming pattern is based off as well. So what I did is I basically took a down, up, up strumming pattern, which is like this. So if I were to just say that out, it would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, up, 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 down. If I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me do it a bit slower for you guys. All right, very simple, right? So that is, I would say, the backbone of this strumming pattern that they use in this song. Now, the next thing to do is obviously to add in those down strums, right? Those bam, 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 bam. And basically how you do that is you just play through the strumming pattern like this. And then to do that, you're going to change your chord and go to the C, right? So you go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. So basically you play through that down, up 3 times, and then you do that down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. All right, guys, so obviously the song starts with that strumming pattern, but I think once Brandon Lake starts singing the song, he doesn't do that every time. So if you're going to sing the song only with the acoustic guitar and not with a full band, then I guess you can add it in a bit more just to, give the song that drive. But you also don't have to, right? Because I know sometimes if you start singing, it could be difficult to keep doing those. And there's just one other part of the song that I want to highlight for you guys, which is in the bridge, obviously, and that's where this strumming pattern comes in again very strongly, because in the bridge it goes. Alright, cool, so that's a strumming pattern they use in the bridge. Let me go ahead and maybe just sing that bridge for you while I play that strumming pattern. You turn mourning to dancing. You give beauty for ashes. You turn shame into glory. You're the only one who can. Alright guys, so that is all you need to know in order to play this entire song. So why don't we go ahead and jam this song out together. So go ahead, grab your guitar, and I'll have chords on the screen as I play through the song so that you can follow along with me. So let's have fun with Graves into Gardens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I've searched the world, but it couldn't fill me. Man's empty praise and treasures of fate are never enough. Then you came along and put me back together, and every desire now satisfied here in your love. Yeah. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you. Oh, there's nothing is better than you. Oh, I'm not afraid to show you my weakness, my failures and flaws. Lord, you've seen them all, and you still call me friend. 'Cause the God of the mountain is the God of the valley. There's not a place your mercy and grace won't find me again. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you. There's nothing is better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing is better than you. You turn mourning to dancing. You turn beauty for ashes. You turn shame into glory. You're the only one who can. You turn graves into gardens. You turn bones into armies. You turn seas into highways. You're the only one who can. You're the only one who can. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you. Oh, there's nothing is better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing is better than you. Sing, you turn graves. You turn graves into gardens. You turn bones into armies. You turn seas into highways. You're the only one who can. You turn graves. You turn graves into gardens. You turn bones into armies. You turn seas into highways. You're the only one who can. You're the only one who can. You're the only one who can. Awesome, guys. There you have it. Graves into Gardens by Elevation Worship. And once again, yeah, what a fun song to sing, and what a declaration that we get to make as the children of God. You know that He is truly the God who turns graves into gardens, and there's nothing that our God cannot do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever we release more videos just like this one. Alright guys, just before you go, I just want to let you know that there is a downloadable PDF for this lesson. So just hit the link in the description You can download the PDF, and it has all the chords in there. It has the strumming pattern, and it has the chord chart in there as well. So yeah, go ahead, download it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Awesome, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.